Want that designer look for your home without breaking the bank? You absolutely can. With a little creativity and some basic supplies, you can transform your living space into a stylish haven. DIY decor is the answer. Not only does it save you money, but it also allows you to customize your home exactly the way you want. It's fun, it's affordable, and it's a great way to spend your free time. Plus, it lets your personality shine through in every piece you create. Imagine the pride you'll feel when guests admire your handiwork. Today, we're diving into a simple project that will add a touch of elegance to your home, a luxurious foam wreath. Don't worry, you don't need to be a crafting expert. This project is perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. With a few easy steps, you'll be amazed at what you can create. So, gather your supplies, and let's get started on making your home a more beautiful place. Before we begin, let's gather our crafting essentials. A trip to the craft store is always an adventure, filled with endless possibilities and creative inspiration. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, the craft store is a treasure trove of materials waiting to be transformed into something beautiful. So let's dive in and explore what we need for our project today. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple and budget-friendly. Crafting doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and some smart shopping, you can find affordable materials that look just as good as the pricier options. We'll show you how to make the most of your budget while still creating something stunning. Here's what you'll need: a foam wreath. Choose the size that best suits your space. Foam wreaths are versatile and come in various sizes, so pick one that fits your vision. Whether you want a small, delicate wreath or a large statement piece, there's a foam wreath for every project. Fabric of your choice. Think velvet, burlap, or even an old scarf. The fabric you choose will set the tone for your wreath. Velvet adds a touch of luxury, burlap gives a rustic feel, and an old scarf can bring a personal touch. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures to create something unique. Embellishments. This is where you can get creative with ribbons, flowers, or anything that catches your eye. Embellishments are the fun part of crafting. They allow you to add your personal flair and make your wreath truly one of a kind. Look for items that complement your fabric and overall theme. A hot glue gun and glue sticks. A crafter's best friend, scissors. Sharp ones, please. These tools are essential for any crafting project. A hot glue gun provides a strong hold for your materials, and sharp scissors ensure clean cuts. Make sure you have these on hand before you start. Gold or silver leaf. Optional for that extra touch of luxury. If you want to add a bit of sparkle and elegance to your wreath, consider using gold or silver leaf. It's a simple way to elevate your project and make it stand out. And ribbon or twine for hanging. Choose a color that complements your wreath. The final touch is the ribbon or twine you'll use to hang your wreath. Choose a color that ties everything together and enhances the overall look of your creation. With all these materials in hand, you're ready to start crafting. Now let's roll up our sleeves and get crafting. Remember, it's all about having fun and letting your creativity flow. First things first, we need to prepare our foam wreath. This is the base of our creation. Take your chosen fabric and wrap it around the wreath. Secure it with hot glue as you go. Make sure the fabric is smooth and taut for a polished look. Adding a touch of glamour, embellishing with style. Now comes the fun part, adding your personal touch. This is where your creativity can really shine. Play around with different embellishments, maybe some silk flowers, or how about a cluster of berries and leaves? Attach them to the wreath using your trusty hot glue gun. A gilded touch, enhancing with gold or silver leaf. Want to take your wreath to the next level? Gold or silver leaf adds that extra touch of sophistication. Apply small pieces of leaf to your embellishments using a soft brush. This creates a beautiful, shimmering effect. Ready to hang, creating a secure hanging mechanism. Our wreath is almost ready to be displayed. Cut a length of ribbon or twine and attach it to the back of the wreath using hot glue. Make sure it's securely fastened so your wreath hangs straight and true. The finishing touches. Sealing and perfecting your wreath. Before we admire our handiwork, let's give our wreath a final once-over. Check for any loose ends and secure them with glue. If you'd like, you can seal your wreath with a clear acrylic spray. This will help protect it from dust and keep it looking its best for years to come. Showcasing your creation. Display ideas for every occasion. Congratulations, your stunning foam wreath is complete. Now it's time to find the perfect spot to display your creation. Hang it on your front door to welcome guests. Place it above a fireplace mantle for an elegant focal point, or use it as a centerpiece on your dining table for a touch of handmade charm. Conclusion: unleash your inner decorator. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, there's always room to explore and expand your creativity. Home decor is not just about making a space look good, it's about expressing your personality and creating an environment that feels uniquely yours. Creating a luxurious foam wreath is easier than you think. With just a few materials like foam, flowers, and some decorative elements, you can craft something truly beautiful. The process is simple and can be a fun activity to do alone or with friends and family. With a few simple supplies and a little bit of creativity, you can achieve high-end decor on a budget. Imagine transforming your living space with pieces that look expensive but are actually made by you. It's all about the details and the personal touch you add to each project. Remember, the most important ingredient is to have fun and let your personal style shine through. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors, textures, and different materials. The joy of DIY is in the process as much as the finished product. So gather your supplies, put on your crafting hat, and unleash your inner decorator. Dive into your creative projects with enthusiasm and confidence. Each piece you create is a reflection of your unique style and vision. And don't forget to share your creations with us. We love seeing the amazing things our community comes up with. Post your projects on social media and tag us so we can celebrate your creativity together. We can't wait to see what you make. Your creativity inspires us and others in the community. Keep crafting, keep sharing, and most importantly, keep having fun.